Hello friends, Mr. Boy is talking to you. In this video, we want to bake muffin cake in a short time. We don't need any special equipment, so stay with me. At first, we have to use one or at least two eggs. Here, because we want to bake lots of cakes, we use lots of eggs. It's time to add 100 grams oil to our pot. Then add half glass of water. Now we must add cocoa muffin powder to other ingredients. You can buy this powder from supermarkets, but if you want to learn how to make it at home, I'll make another video for you. It's time to mix them well. For designing, add some chocolate sauce to the paste. You can add everything you want before or after baking the muffin for designing it. Well friends, turn on your stove 5 minutes before start baking and put the paste for 20 minutes in 180 degrees centigrade. Here we do it in an oven. And here is our delicious cakes. Bon appetit!